Registration of foreign users. To register as an external user, you must access the PEN-SIE website. You may find the link in the video description. Then click on Solicitor Servico, Request Service. You will be directed to a form. Please note the following important information. Foreigners must use their passport or foreign identity document to register. External user registration is personal and non-transferable and must be carried out by the person to whom the data belongs. On the form, you must fill in your full name and email address. This email address must be personal. Do not use a business or institutional email address. You must also indicate the type of document. Remembering that for foreigners, a passport or foreign identity document is mandatory. You must also upload a copy of the document in PDF format. Once you have completed the form, click Save. Your registration request will be reviewed. If everything is in order, you will receive an email with instructions on how to proceed with your registration. Click the link in the email to go to the User Management portal. Copy and paste your username and password into the login fields to avoid typing errors. After logging in, you will need to update your temporary access password. Choose a new password and click on Alter or Change. Once the password has been updated, you must generate the electronic signature agreement form. To do this, click on Gerar Termo de Concordancia, Generate Agreement. On this screen, the agreement will be available for reading and confirmation. Click Confirm, and to enter your password to continue. That's it. Your external user registration is now complete, and you are now able to digitally sign documents in the PEN-SIE system. Watch the video, How to Sign Minutes of a Graduate Defense Using PEN-SIE, to learn how to receive and sign documents